Convert your drafty, dated wood-burning fireplace into an efficient and beautiful gathering place by installing a Heat Glo Supreme Gas Insert. Enjoy the ambience and warmth without the hassle of cutting and hauling wood or mess of cleaning ashes. You can transform your room from underused to unbelievable in as little as a day. Supreme Gas Inserts come in multiple sizes, styles, and finishes to update your existing wood fireplace. You'll be inspired to enjoy your new gas insert year-round. Easily operate your gas insert with simple and safe controls with advanced technologies. Relaxing by the fire can be as simple as the flip of a switch or touch of a finger. Heat Glo Supreme Gas Insert with best-in-class styling and performance will make your fireside experience easier. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the fire. To learn more, visit your authorized Heat Glo dealer or go to heatandglo.com. Heat Glo. No one builds a better fire